welcome back to the channel. I have been putting off really deep cleaning this house for a little hot minute, and here's the thing, the house appears to be clean. If I was to take a video of my house right now and you just look at it, you'll be like, oh, it looks clean, but I know it's not really clean, if you know what I mean. I just feel like there's two types of clean. There is, okay, everything appears to be clean on the surface, and then there is, no, we really need to like deep clean, get down on our knees, scrub the baseboards, dust, vacuum, like every crevice, every crack, everything. So that's what we're doing today, because it's been kind of a minute since I've done that type of clean in the house. I noticed like some dust in some areas, and I'm like, yeah, it's time. The tip to getting through any deep clean is having like a podcast, a show, or like a good album to get you through, because there's no way I can just clean like in silence. So I'm probably gonna watch Real Housewives of Potomac. I actually just started watching Real Housewives of Potomac. Like I started from like the first season, and I'm only on like season 5 right now. I'm about to go into season 6, but it's getting good. It's getting really good. But I heard it does fizzle out a little bit, so kind of sad about that. But I'm gonna watch that while I clean. That'll probably really get me through my clean. And yeah, we just got a lot to do. We're gonna be cleaning baseboards. We're gonna be dusting, especially these pendants throughout the house. The glass pendants that I kind of regret a little bit getting now. Yeah, we're gonna be dusting those. Put on your favorite podcast, your favorite album, a good TV show, and let's get this house clean, y'all. Let's do this.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete. When you cheat, we're lose within. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Just vibe from the 45, don't get out of line. Yeah. Ooh, 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 pick a side. Only double lines we cross is dollar signs. Yeah. Ooh, 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 hold up, wait. I hear you just got paid, make it rain, energy. She more cake, he more Saint-Tropez. Be waving the room, the crowd gon' move. Look around, everybody on mute. Look around, it's me and my group.
He was on stop mode, that phone's post on page vogue, no post, chat too much, go clip on load. That's that Kodak energy, 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 energy. He was on stop mode, that phone's post on page vogue, no post, chat too much, go clip on load. That's that Kodak energy, 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 energy.
Totally rockin' up. You know that we do it grinding. You know that I'm gonna be extra. When the camera go pop, 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 pop. Keep 'em waiting like that, 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 that. Ooh la la la. That's the way them boys sound when I walk through the black, black, black. Then I Uzi that doozy. Shot, shot, shot. Minded our business. Popping our pain and champagne through the ceiling. Flipping it up, flicking it up. All this good energy got you all in your feelings, feelings. I'm crazy. I'm swearing. I'm daring. Your man staring. I just entered the country with derringers. Cause them Karens just turned into terrorists.
He was on stop mode, that phone's post on page.
Okay, when I tell y'all I am through, I am spent. Cleaning a house, it just takes everything out of you, I feel like. But I feel so much better when it's done. Just how clean it smells in here, how it feels in here. Like, it's like a whole energy shift in my mind when you actually deep clean your house. And of course, it's important to like pick up behind yourself, of course, and maintain the cleanliness of your house. I haven't cleaned upstairs yet, but I will get to that tomorrow. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.